From the last video I made, a lot of people have been asking me about Rubi KYC. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing the updates about Rubi KYC and when they promise to begin the next batch of KYC. Let's get right into it, guys. Now, looking at this post was made on the 17th of November 2025. When you check the post, you're going to see 50,000 new KYC invites released and over 120,000 KYC verification completed in 1 week. 120,000 KYC verification. Wow. Now, congratulations to global miners. Check your mining app. It is running KYC, blah, 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 blah. Rubi is coming. Have a great day ahead. This was an update from the Rubi team that said 120 KYC verification was completed in a week. So which means from this post, you can tell that the last KYC was done last month. Last month on the 17th of November, that was when the post was made. So it was last month that the last KYC was done. Now, coming to your question, when is the next KYC? We're going to be looking at that. But before we look at that, there's something I want you to also consider and make sure everything is in check. Because if you don't have all those things in check, there's a high chance you might miss out on the next KYC. What am I talking about? Now, there's some certain user condition for KYC invitation that you should have in mind so that by the time the next batch of KYC comes around, you will be part of it. Now, number one, update your profile with accurate personal information that matches either your national ID card or your international passport. Now, second criteria, you have to mine for at least 30 days back to back without missing a day in between. You have to mine consistently at least for 30 days before you can be considered for the next batch of KYC. Now, the third thing you need to also consider is, aside from making sure you obtain the minimum of 30 mining days, you have to also stay consistent so you can be certain that you'll be eligible for the next batch of KYC. And then there's also something you should always have in mind. KYCs are sent in batches. Not everyone will be eligible. But then again, if you do those things I just listed, there's a high probability that you will be part of the next batch. Now, the question you've been asking, when is the next KYC coming? Now, according to those posts that was made here, this post was made on the 5th of December, and to show how serious they are, this post was also pinned on their timeline. Now, they said, another beautiful day to go harder on your Rubi mining. More KYC rollout coming. Do you only want to know what I think? I think the KYC is going to begin by January. You know, January marks the beginning of the year, and then psychologically, it is also a time people begin a lot of things. That is why I think that they might roll out next batch. But since the last one was done November, I believe the next one should be done by January. So just start getting your hands on deck. Make sure you've updated your profile with the accurate personal information that needs to be updated. And make sure you're mining consistently so you can be eligible for the next batch of KYC. So I hope this video answers all the questions that you have. So if you like this content you just saw, kindly help me tap that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just got. And also turn on the bell notification so every time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to receive the notification. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.